Everything's in Ukambani. Hii mvua iko huku, wacha tu.
Morning everyone. This is Mara River. The water levels has completely submerged the edges of the river. The edges of the river cannot be seen. It has been raining, but it has not reached this level. You can say that this year's rain is of historic proportions. That's why the way it is right now. Luckily here, because of the high altitude, we are safe. As we speak, there are some places that are completely underwater. Some camps and lodges have been swept by the waters. Lucky enough for us, we are higher in terms of altitude. That's why we are still safe here. And we pray that the water doesn't increase or go beyond where it is right now. Yeah, we are safe. But continue praying for waters to go down. And also pray for other parts of Kenya where they are experiencing floods. And also let us remember that maybe God is speaking to us in a certain way. He's drawing our attention back to Him so that we cannot repent. These are the waters. These are the levels. It has never reached this far. And don't forget that this river is full of crocodiles, full of hippos. So even me standing here is also risky. Because remember, when the waters are at this level, crocodiles and hippos will always find places where the waters are not moving with a very high speed, the way it is moving right now. So most likely they'll hide somewhere near the grounds. So they are most likely somewhere. Even where I'm standing is still risky, so I can't go further from where I am right now. I can't go nearer. This is how it is.